President witu uria twendete President Samuel Ruto oya Ngai na wihuge muno gutigatuike ti Deputy President Rigathi wa Gachagua ndagatuike ati ni kuhagurwo ni ambunge acio makurumagirira kana atue matua ma gukorwo akirizain kuona Raila Odinga angia gukorwo agicinda gitura kia AU. President William Ruto ni no ndigukuhitha ni ukuona uria utari wona hindi yo ya ikorwo igikinya. Ino ni mĩario ĩrĩkĩtie gukorwo igitungio mutongoria wa bũrũri witu wa Kenya ogwetwo President William Samoei Ruto. Guko akero ni ugwati munene ungimutunga hihi okorwo Deputy President Rigathi wa Gachagua ni agutuiketi ni kuhagurwo ni ambunge kana ni gukorwo agitua matua ma kuresign indi tano kumenyithia makiria ndeto ino higie ku mundu ugwetwo president kana nwe President William Ruto ukorwo akinyitania na andu ambunge aria marakenda gukorwo makihagura munini wake nwe Deputy President Rigathi wa Gachagua. Ni no ngwihoe na gitio kinene muno makiria witikire gukorwo ugisubscribe thini wa channel ino itu na ndukakiriganiro uko gitan ka notification bell on nigetha ugakorwo ukimenya maria maragikorwo magithie na mbere kana maria maragikorwo makihanika guku nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria ukirihwa mbere riria twagikorwo tuki-upload video mwena uyu wa YouTube. Oriri muingi wa Kenya uthiete na mbere gukorwo makiruta maoni megie Deputy President Rigathi wa Gachagua ndeto ino higie ku impeach gwake. Andu haingi ni mathiete kuga gukorwo magitaria mutongoria wa bũrũri William Ruto eti kwina ugwati munene muno na uria ukikoretwo ukimung'etheire hihi okorwo thirikari ya President William Ruto kana ambunge a Ruto ni megukorwo makihota gukorwo makiruta mundu ugwitwo Gachagua nja kana gukorwo makimuikia nja kana akorwo makimahamurithia toria maragikorwo makienda. Ugwati uria ugikorwo ukiyumiria ni ati mundu ugwitwo Raila Odinga no magikorwo makinyitana na mundu ugwitwo Gachagua na 2027 mundu ugwitwo President William Ruto kwa gukorwo etigitigi kinda ikorwo agikiona. Waisa ikuhe uria urikitie gukorwo agitariria ciege William Ruto ni wakiri urutire mundu ugwitwo President Mohoro kuhwira Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta aria wakiri uyu uria uikaine ta home wa thuku arikitie gukorwo akiariria kana agikorwo agitariria muingi na kana agikorwo akiuma kuria muingi-ini na akorwo akira muingi ati okorwo ugwati munene muno makiria kuri President William Ruto okorwo ni gukorwo agitobora guikia Rigathi wa Gachagua nja ta Deputy President wa Republic of Kenya niwe Gachagua wake kuona Gachagua atuika ati ndarikorwo ethini wa thirikari na Raila Odinga akorwo ndagakorwo agithurwo gituro-ini kiria kia AU ni gukorwo na ugwati munene muno makiria na kwa gukorwo no hoteke kweti mundu ugwitwo Rigathi Gachagua no makorwo makinyitana na Raila Odinga. Tukiririkana wega ati mundu ugwitwo Gachagua ni magikoretwo makihitania na mundu ugwitwo Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta kuria akorirwo agicoka kwi Uhuru na agikorwo akimuhoya muhera kuoneti Uhuru ni augite ati mutongoria wake ni Raila Odinga no Akenya matiendire kumuthikiriria onake Gachagua mwenyewe ndendire kumuthikiriria. Tukiririkana wega ati mundu ugwitwo Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta na uria wakirire gicigo kia Mount Kenya ti Raila ni mundu mwega Gachagua ahota gukorwo agitua matitua ria kunyitana na Raila Odinga na mecirie gukorwo magiteithania kuoya thirikari ya hamwe mwaka wa 2027 haria President William Ruto akorwo na ihinda riritu kuona Deputy President Rigathi wa Gachagua kana Raila Odinga magikorwo makimuthingithia na njira nene muno makiria kuona hinya wa mundu ugwitwo Raila Odinga na Gachagua ti hinya wa kuhuthiririo. Nini gukorwo ngikut ciugo cia wakiri wa home thuku ndumiriri ya uria aya kikorirwo akiuga akorirwo akiandiko if Rigathi is impeached or he resigns pre-heard that Baba gets the AUC seat. Akikosa hicho kiti will have an idol Gachagua and an idol Raila in Kenya, both with no responsibilities and nothing to lose. I cross my case. Now Kenya mundu makoro magithi kuria mwena wa comment section kuria mĩario ĩno ya wakiri uyu na uria ukigirire maundu-ini megie siasa nirikitie gukorwo ikihuthuthurio kana igituthura maoni mwanya mwanya, na nie ni ngukorwo ngikut andu maiganona uria magikorwo makiandika mwena uria wa Facebook, na ni ngukorwo ngithoma ta uyu agikorwo akiruta woni wake agikorwo akiuga uu agikorwo akiandika uu. And John Gitahi, I'm actually now hoping that old man will say that you see, after seeing his goon rough up Mora at Bomas, ODM turned Bomas public participation as their own rally. Na Rusi Kangaru Nganga kwa my praise aki Gachagua aende nyumbani, baba akose kiti for the 6th time, katambe ka injili ya mwana wa Mungu. Na Caroline Wahome, we have Gen Z, those old people should go and milk cows. My school of thought should be warming feet by the Jiko. And Ted Malanda Gachagua is harmless. The government can always dust up an old file in the DCI registry and take him round in circles for 8 years. And Paul Moinde, I want Rao back home. He can't leave us grappling with Ruto alone. Na modo wetu Generali Mwari Ashiji akauga Kenyans file court petition challenging President Ruto mental illness, fitness, citing excessive lies and leadership failures. A group of concerned Kenyans has filed a case in court requesting Chief Justice Martha Koome to establish a bench to assess President William Ruto mental fitness. They are invoking Article 144 of the Kenyan Constitution, which allows for the removal of a president due to mental or physical incapabilities. The petitioners argue that under President Ruto, Kenya has become a police state. Na modo oge oweto chaptibidoit photography akawa my prayer Raila Odinga to lose a EU seat. Na Odok Minyoma akawa William Ruto has proven to be a reliable man, a friend and a patriot, unlike Uhuru who kept Baba Yetu on empty hearings. Brother William is walking the talk. Who knew Aluo can be a CS Treasury and Attorney General? Let Rigathi resign and salvage his political future. AU is ours and William Ruto is President 2027 and beyond. And Atebur Peter Kawa, you can't compare. Raila and Rigathi Gachagua is a Nyeri champion. Don't expect the other part of the country to accept him. Baba is a mass mover, he is a movement. And Joyce Kinyeru akawa, if it happens, Hope Mulima will vote someone like Kalonzo, deputized by another tribe. Yetu iwetu kutia Sugoi Adabo. And Modo Oweto Charles Lukaza Gachagua himself is praying he gets impeached because he knows that the government is going nowhere. It will also give the entire mountain a common enemy, keeping in mind the mountain always vote in a rebellion. And Njoroge, the country is headed in the right direction, haven't been happier. Na mwenenehe wake makao, mimi naomba kila siku baba anguke na Rigathi ya kuimpeach kieleweke. Na Jaramogi Junior Nyakach Kamili akauga, I have seen a number of good number of Kikuyus wishing for Raila Odinga to fail, but I tell you my friends, it's the Kikuyu who should pray hard for Raila Odinga to get the AUC. Failure to that, they still vote with emotions next time. And Mugigi Kundi akawa, I'm waiting for that Baba will withdraw his troops and Ruto leadership be past tense. Baba doesn't care. He'll convince his people it was a strategy. And another Nuruhongo akawa, Raila Odinga has absolutely no reason to try and cause chaos or disrupt the government. He controls key sector in his government. On the other hand, Rigathi, a tribalist, can't go beyond Mount Kenya, has no party, has no MP, and people to push his agenda across the country. He also has criminal cases which can be used to silence him anytime.